A quick geometry question. Let's just say this is practice for circle geometry, right? This will be practice for circle geometry. So they're saying we should determine the angle y. Here is angle y. We've got 55 degrees here. This angle is unknown. This angle is unknown. This side and this side are equal. So we know that if we have a triangle with equal sides, then the base angles are equal. If we have a triangle like this, and they tell us that this side is equal to this side, then it means this angle is equal to this angle. The angles opposite to those sides, they are equal. We call them base angles, right? So if we have equal sides, then the base angles are equal. So if this side is equal to this side, it says this angle is equal to this angle, right? This angle is equal to this angle. Again here, if this side is equal to this angle to this side, therefore the base angles, this angle, let's call it, let's just put it at, let's put a dot here. This angle is also equal to this angle because they are base angles to uh, equal sides. So on this triangle, we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, right? Okay, so let's say 55 degrees plus x, this is x, this is x, is equals to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Angles of a triangle, right? Angles of a triangle. So this will be 2x is equals to 180 degrees less 55, right? We transpose the 55. Therefore, 2x is equals to 180 minus 55 is 125 degrees, right? Therefore, we divide by 2, we divide by 2, says x is equals to 62.5 degrees, right? X is equals to 60, so it's this angle. This is 62.5, 62.5. This also is 62.5, right? So we got that angle, and then moving right along, let us go to this triangle. So we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180, right? Let's say we have this line, and then this is angle A, this is angle B. So angle A plus angle B add up to 180. The reason, angles on a straight line, right? Angles on a straight line. Okay, so if we come here, let's call this Z, let's call this Z, and let's call this C. Okay, let's call that angle C, right? Let's call that angle C. So uh 180 degrees is equals to 62.5 degrees plus C, right? Plus angle C. What is the reason? Angles on a straight line, right? Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, 180 degrees less 62.5 degrees is equals to angle C. Therefore, angle C is equals to, let us put, this means angle, right? This means angle. This will be 117.5 degrees, right? 117.5 degrees. That is the value of angle C, right? That is the value of angle C. But we also know that angle C plus angle Z plus angle Z add up to what? 180 degrees. What is the reason? Angles of a triangle, right? Okay, so this is 117.5 plus 2z is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, 2z is equals to 180 degrees less 117.5. This will give us 62.5 degrees, right? It says 2z is equals to 63.5 degrees. Therefore, what is z? Z will be this divided by 2. Z will be that divided by 2. Is it 31.5? think it's 31.25. Yes, 31.25 degrees, right? 31.25 degrees. So this is 31.25 degrees, this is 31.25 degrees, this is 62.5. So but then if we say angle y plus angle z, they must add up to what? To 180 degrees, right? What is the reason? The reason is that they are angles on a straight line. Here is the straight line. Okay, here is a straight line. If we add up these two angles, they must give us 180 degrees. So it says y, angle y is equals to 180 degrees minus z. Z is 31.25 degrees. So 180 minus 32 would be 148. 148. So 148, and then we must add so I think it's 148.75 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this should be the final answer.